Welcome back, money makers. Anything that moves here, I'm Miss Moneymaker. We're going to get into Tesla in this video. Right here, this is a picture of the Cybertrucks that are supposed to deploy out. This is brought to us by Joe here on Twitter. I just wanted to show you that, and we're going to get into the technicals. Because you know why we're going to get into the technicals? Because without, read the shirt, without the data, right? It's just an opinion. We need, you know how we are. We need the technicals. Okay. We're going to go, the best chart is at the end. So stay to the end if you want to see the best chart and why the technicals say what's going on. So let's look at a quick recap, okay? This is on the weekly time frame. Back here in April, we dipped down. See, we dipped down here, we came up. I was like, guys, this is a buy zone. That area right there, this just going quickly over the past, that was a buy zone. I was like, let's buy. The bottom is in, okay? So I signaled the bottom before. Bottom is in and everything. Let's buy. And then we had this nice ride up. I made profit on that. I hope you did too. So now, okay, what happened was the market sold off. We were all there for that market sell off, okay? This looks like that bottom is nicely in around 186. So say 190, okay? So now, this is why we're all here for the data. We caught support here. So this area before, we came above it and we stopped right here, and now we have this move up. Let's go to the next chart because we're saying, hey, the low is in probably. Monthly, look at this nice round bottom, people. I know guys like round bottoms, right? Okay, here we go. So nicely curving up. This is where we are, $220, okay? All right, well, stay with me, because the market likes a nice round bottom. This is the chart that you really need to see. This is the one. This is what we're here for. Okay, so look at this, everyone. Okay, so you see this, the gold line, the purple line, and the green. Those are the moving averages over here. We are above those moving averages. 1, 2, 3. I like that. Okay, very good. Think we're above that. We're in the right direction. Okay, look at this here, down here. This is called the MACD. Okay, and you see right now with this green, these little green little bars, right? They're going up. We're not in a downward trend anymore. Okay, and you see these little lines here, they're opening up, right? They're open. That's what we need them to be doing, and that's what they're doing. So the odds are Tesla is going in this direction. Okay, upward direction. Also, you see these little things, you see this little arrow here, MACD strategy thing here, pointing upward. Yes, okay. See before here in the past when it was pointing upward and it did go up. Okay, so pointed down and it did go down. All right, so this is what I'm saying. We need some data. We need some technical analysis to say which way is Tesla really going to go. So down here before was a buy zone. Here is looking like, okay, maybe we did bottom. So now what can happen is, all right, do you see like, okay, it's not perfectly drawn, but the thing is, okay, so this trend line, okay, we hit here, okay, price kept reacting and selling off. We finally broke through, but will we drop down a little bit more to touch against it, okay, or touch this support? Again, it depends what the market is doing. That's what we don't know. How is the market going to react? Economic data, there's interest rates and all this kind of stuff. Okay, so will we touch down a little bit more before we keep going up and ride into the sunset and everything? Because, overall, yeah, Tesla's going up, but can it go down a little bit before? Maybe. But the reason why I'm feeling bullish and everything about it is that, okay, let me show you this. Hold on. Okay, let's just say if we're here, if we just stay where we are and we went up to this higher area, 260, let's say, okay, if we just do that, okay, we have a nice 20% from where we are. See this 19, that's 20%, just round it. If we go there, because I'm feeling that. So the other thing I wanted to show you on this is, look, when I come over to the other area, here in the past, this is why I'm a little hesitant to go above the 260 area. Okay, so you see what I'm saying? I'm saying 260, 270. It's kind of like, watch, I'm going to say, see here? We sold off in the past. You see here before, we didn't even get to it. We sold before, but we sold here. Now, this area too, right? So that is 280. So when we're at the 260, 280, we have a little bit of a problem. I'm going to put the trend lines up so you can see that one here. I'm going to put it up here for this one. Okay, so that's where we're going to run into some resistance. We have, like, this is like 270, 280. So this area, people are probably going to sell a little bit in that area. Okay, not saying that you need to, but that's something to know. Okay, you have to watch out for that area. Now, but I am feeling bullish. So let's just zoom back up. I am feeling bullish to, up to the 280 and 300. Now, mind you, when we get to 300, you best to believe that's a psychological level. Whenever we get to a round number like 300, 200s, 300s, 100, all those numbers, 100, 200, people sell, okay? People like to sell at those kind of areas. Now, I just want to put this to right here. Okay. Now, that's almost a 3. Now, this is what I'm going to say. You have to, I'm talking about risk to reward ratio right now. Okay. So where Tesla is right now. Okay. So when we're here at 220, right? I'm going to fix the this thing in a minute, but we're at 220. So now it's a weekend. The market's not open. You have to see where you're going to have your stop. As you adjust your stop, as you see on the screen, the numbers change, right? So if, let's just say I put it to here, okay? Say to this low we had in the past, okay? This candle, this is the daily time frame I'm on right now. So this was that low, okay, right there of, see it, like 210, okay? So say you put your stop for there and you say you want to sell up here, all right, like 260 or whatever. Your ratio is 5. You need to be above a 3, okay? Let's just put it all the way to the top here to the 270. You see you're a 5, almost a 6. So my point is it's in your favor. However you want to adjust the stop, and depending on where you really buy in, because like I said, maybe we're going to drop lower. Maybe we'll come down a little bit. What am I saying? Like maybe during the week we'll come down to this area before we go up. Okay, so maybe you're going to really end up buying in at 210 or 209. Don't know. Okay, so, but you have room. You should feel comfortable, like you have a little breathing room. But of course, it depends what the market's going to do. I wanted to make sure I showed you all that. And why am I feeling really good about all this? Well, look here. Okay, guys, listen. Ladies and gentlemen, Elon, he's having a lot of conversation with Trump, okay? Cybertrucks are out. You've probably seen some moving around, okay? RoboTaxi is coming. RoboTaxi is coming, just showing some charts right now. RoboTaxi event's coming in October, all right? Okay, so leading up, so this nice round bottom, okay, should keep going up. With the taxi event coming in October 10th, that with the election coming, the market should keep going up. Okay, we're going to have some turbulence, because that's what they always do. They're going to shake some people out. They always do. Okay. They always have to do that. Right. But we have a lot of good things happening. And so I'm saying, okay, Tesla. Yeah, we have a buy. We're going to have some drama around these areas because it was a lot of, drama here in the past at certain levels, but we should, eventually, I don't know if we'll really make it above the 300, maybe we'll bounce lower. I don't know. But because it depends on the market. Remember, it depends on the overall markets. And then when we're getting up here, like towards this 400, because you see this wick right here? This is what I'm looking at. I don't know if you see that. So I hate to do the real wick. I'm going to do the body of that candle. So, but it's really, if we get to 386, people are going to be gunning for 400. Okay. So we have some resistance ahead of us and everything, but overall, I'm feeling good. We just have to watch the market overall interest rates, what the Fed is doing. They're going to shake around. The election is coming, but Elon keeps his name in the media. He does. He keeps it, with Trump, all that. So pushing Tesla. So I'm feeling kind of bullish. I just wanted to make sure you knew that. Okay, click like, subscribe if you like this content. I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye for now. Money makers, you better make that money. Make that money. You better. Click like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.